I'm from Andhra Pradesh, madam.
Okay, sir.
Are you from Mansono's customer care, madam?
Yes, this is the Mansion House customer care number.
Yes, of course, madam. What I am telling is I am drinking Mansono's, madam.
Very good, sir. Everybody has gone for lunch.
Just spare me for 2 minutes, madam. What is the Mansono's, madam? It's very beautiful, madam. I am drinking the Mansono's with water. And it's very nice, madam. And I'm not able to get a taste also, madam. I'm drinking water only where I'm drinking Mansono's. That much of taste is there, madam. I'm giving a very good compliment to Mansono's, madam.
Thank you, sir. We would like you to repeat the compliment in our customer care department. Kindly call up after 2 o'clock, please.
2 o'clock, madam?
Yes, sir.
After 2 o'clock I call means who will pick up the call, madam?
I'll give it to the concerned person, sir.
Okay, madam. I'm just giving compliment, madam. It's very, what is this, madam? How you make the Mansono's, madam? It's like the heaven, madam.
Thank you, sir.
You making with water only, madam. That is the very different thing, madam. You're taking with the water and it's like when I am drinking this, it looks like only water. After drinking that, I am getting very high, madam. Thank you.